Hey guys, it's Jeff Jones from The Boxman, and in this video we're going to take a look how Philo has finally come out with their own free TV channels. Let's take a look. All right guys, before I jump right into the video, I hope you guys are about to have a great weekend. My name is Jeff, and I will be a spokesman from theboxman.com. And we're going to take the next 8 to 10 minutes and just go over and take a look at Philo and how they have recently come out with their own live TV channels, their own fast channels. Before I get into the video, I want to thank all of the newer subscribers, people that have subscribed and watched their videos over the last 2 months. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The channel is growing organically, and I am grateful to everyone that finds something of value or clicks in or tells someone else or shares it. And I hope you'll do the same right now. So let's jump in and find out a little bit about Philo. It's normally $25 a month. They have about 80, I think, or 90 channels. And there's I'm going to go with the paid service, but recently, before I paid last night, they just came out with their own fast channels. So I'm going to go to Zeus browser, and it should be right here right now. It says Philo free channels, stream free live TV shows and movies online. I'm going to click on it. And the way you get it is you're going to have to set up an account, and you don't need to pay anything or anything like that. They're absolutely free, but you're going to have to, as you can see, we have, I'm going to go up here. You have Philo on the left, which is free, 80 plus channels, 30-day DVR. You can even record what you like on the free version. No hidden fees or credit card required. So that's cool right there. So they have Philo free channels, and then they have Philo Core, which I'm going to subscribe to by my next video, an additional 70 plus channels. So you'll have 150 channels total. You'll have a year DVR for free, and it's only $25 a month and 25 premium add-ons, okay? So the way you do it is you're going to have to create an account. I found that you create an account either with your email address or your phone number. I use my phone number, and they give you a code to put in, and we're going to do that right now just to show you. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Then I'm going to go over to Philo right now, okay? And then what I'm going to do is click on it. And I'll probably blot out some of the information that's there. As you can see, here's the channels that are there. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then I'm going to go ahead and send out a message here so we can get started, okay? So I went ahead and signed in to Philo, and I already have a profile here, so I'm going to click on that. And this is Philo free, okay? So I went ahead and I had the code sent to my phone, and as you can see, you can go down the line here. So here's some recommended things that you can look at. There's Family Feud, there's Brat Loves Judy, and there's Power, all these shows here. We go down the trending live. So here's some trending live channels right there. All right. You can go down to top movies. Here's some top movies here. Since this is absolutely free. Then you got Ghosts in the Hood. You got True Crime. All right. You got Home and Travel, Fun for the Family, all the fixings, the fixer-uppers. You got action and thrillers, in the news, the outdoors and sports, the laugh track. So there's comedy, in the groove. There's music on this, which is nice. You got the 80s, the 90s, the vid country, and then you got anime. So I'm going to go to the top. Then you got a live interactive guide. As you can see, it says free channels right there. So there's no subscription for this. You can always upgrade and pay the $25 for the core. But right now it looks like you have 70 plus free channels. And here are the channel groupings right there. All there. And if you do go up to core, you'll be able to have a 7-day free trial even before they debit your account. So you'll see that the guide and here's the top ones right here, the top ones. You can save yours there or even search. So when you're looking for something, let's say you're looking for Mama June, you'll just click on it. And then there's season 5, so you can go on down here. These are live, season 5, episode 3, season 5, episode 14. So you got the seasons of Mama June. So let's say we go to season 1. And as you can see, these things are right here. And if you click on it, it'll give you all of the information that you're looking for, and you can begin to watch it however you want to watch it. So I think it's so far so good. Everything works pretty well. I mean, I clicked on that. So if we wanted to do intervention, let's say you wanted to do that. Let's say you wanted to save it. Now that I have an account, it's saved. And let's say I want to go on down here and go to Eddie. I'll click on that. And that's Tuesday at 10. Sorry. So hang on one second. All right, let's go ahead and continue and get ready to close out the video. As we, I'm sorry about the little break there, but as we come back to the application, you're going to see the same thing that we were looking at before. As you go down, again, you can look at the saved where I was, if I was going to look at this. And let's say I go down to more on crime thriller. And this is by Lifetime. So if I go down one more and press OK, you'll see that there's one that's playing live, and it's just like anything else. So we're going to click on it and go ahead and hit play and see what happens. And I'll blot this out, but there it is right there. So these are cold case files, and everything is blotted out. But again, you have the ability to watch what you want to watch on this free app. I mean, everything on it is absolutely free. I am going to go ahead and pay the $25 because I want to see what this really does, especially since they're having, I believe, some older cartoons that are going to be played on this. And that is something that's very, very special to me because that's what I grew up with. It's going to be played on Philo and Friendly. I think it's called WeTunes, and it's big right now, and they're looking for the release of this, but it's coming out very, very soon. To me, that's worth $25 a month. Now, some may not think so, but that's the beauty of streaming. You do what you do, and let someone else find out what they watch, but at least get a good box or a device so you'll know it's worth the investment. And as we go on down, you'll see again some different things. There's play episode 1 again. It's super, super easy to do. We'll close that out. There's the one channel right there. You can stop it if I wanted to save it. There it is there. So this is Philo or Philo. I think it's Philo. Either way, it's a free FAST channel. Again, FAST is an acronym, free ad-supported television. So this is absolutely free for anyone that wants to take a look at it. I believe it's worth giving it the 7-day trial, $25 a month. This will work on all Android devices. I believe your phones and even from the web. So this is a home run in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video and thank you guys for watching. If there's something that I didn't cover or you want to see, please just let me know as I go ahead and close everything out. And that way we can learn together. All right. Always be learning, always looking for different things to make it worth your while. I mean, if you look at certain things, here's some top movies. There's Highlander, right? That's an older movie. This is a really great app. So far, so good. Now, as I close out the video, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. We are still offering the Formula Z11 Pro Max as a free giveaway. Now, some folks were getting very confused when I said text the word Z11. They were Z11. No, here, you have to type in this number, 858-212-0841. Once you type in that number, send a text with the word Z, the letter Z, 11 to 858-212-0841. Enter your name. We will draw your name, and that way if we call you or text you, we're going to need your address to ship it to you for free. This is a brand new Formula Z11 Pro Max. Also, before I close, right now we're giving a blowout sale of Formula GTVs, brand new. If you already have maybe a service or you're looking to upgrade your box, the Formula GTV, I did a video on it. It's the number 2 box within that manufacturer, and I'm selling those for $90, brand new. So if you're interested in the GTV, you can text and ask about the GTV. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend.